Alrighty guys, real quick, yes, your boy is happy. I'm ecstatic. The mechanic that wrote this up, P06DD, by the way, need an oil pump. This is a 3.6 Pentastar. He sold this job for 6 hours. He's not here to do it, and they need it done. Where's my part? Right here, guys. Y'all see this? This is a Pentastar dual stage oil pump, okay? Dual stage, I'm thinking that means depending on the RPM, that would dictate how much oil pressure this dish out, okay? Predominantly at idle, you need more oil pressure, right? Highway speed, you may not need as much. So the computer determines that though, right? So yes, he got 6 hours, guys. This is maybe the 2-hour job. I just got to get this oil pan off. Now guys, I can't film this, all right? Yes, this is too secretive. This is G14 classified type secret, all right? You know, FBI type stuff. So I got work to do. Let me get this. I ain't got to do none of this, man. This is easy peasy. I'll fire the camera up later. Alrighty, guys, I got it. It's about to. I was wrong, guys. I said what, 2 hours? No, actually, guys, it's gonna take me maybe 1 hour to complete this whole job. Remember, guys, this is G14 classified. All right, I cannot reveal how I was able to do this without removing the timing cover or the oil pan. All right, but here's my new dual stage oil pump that I'm getting ready to install, guys. P06DD. Okay, I think that's, remember, somebody has diagnosed this. All right, he's not here. He got 6 hours to do this. I guess the warranty company paying for it. I don't know who paying for it. I know as long as I get paid, I'm good. So I got to. All right. Now remember, guys, this little plate thing in jig here, do not go back on here. All right. So don't worry about this. There's no screws for that. Okay. So I got to get all this bolt back up and put this back together. All right. I got work to do. Alrighty, guys. Here we go. An hour and a half, maybe tops later. Got the new one in, guys. Got it all bolted, strained and cleaned out and installed and everything. Now, guys, one thing I want to bring to y'all attention, because what you don't see, well, what used to be right here on the old oil pump, okay? This is a oil pump, okay? P06DD, another guy wrote up. This right here, guys, y'all see this? I do not want y'all to panic over this, all right? This is not to go back on the new oil pump, okay? It is not needed. All right, in fact, it will not bolt up, okay? There's no holes in there, and you are not to drill and make holes on it. They just simply say, do away with it. Yes, on the old oil pump, it went right there to cover the chain, but it's not needed anymore on the new oil pump, okay? So just chunk it, get rid of it. All right, now, I got my oil pan cleaned up, guys. This is what they want me to use. I think I'm gonna use regular RTV. I'm not sealing from block to block, okay? But this is the good stuff, all right? So let me get this oil pan on, guys. I'm done. Alrighty, guys, I noticed something right off the bat. Y'all see this? Now, for all you Jeep Grand Cherokee owners that are always crying about your dash, you see what this smart lady right here did? This smart customer, I don't know if it's a lady or a guy, but yeah, that's how you prevent your freaking dash from cracking, whether you have a warranty or not. Can we exercise common sense? Yeah, ooh, not so common sense. They parked in front of the electric station. Look at that, they're not supposed to be here. Okay, I just gave this customer some praise, you know, some encouragement or some good talk just to find out they parked in the wrong spot. All right, yes, this is not hybrid or electric. Why is it here? Well, anyway, guys, you want to prevent your dash from cracking. The sun is beaming down on this thing earlier. Right now it's kind of cloudy, but this is how you do it, just in case y'all wondering. Put a sunshade up, a sun visor. All right, that'll stop your dash from cracking. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, guys, real quick, this is another mechanic diagnosed. He's not here today. They want to know if I knock it out. Yeah, this looked fairly easy. Plus he got the panel already out. I think he tried to clean this up, guys. This is a new one. All right, they had coffee stains and cigarette ashes. This was all nasty from what I'm told. And it simply got on this shifter module. Okay, so the shifter module can give you problems. And guys, this is expensive. If you drip Coke or coffee or anything like that down on your center bezel, you are damaging high technology computer equipment. Okay, this is basically a module. All right, you got things like shifter light come on, or you won't shift, or your shifter gets stuck. Yes, you could well have a liquid damage and crud down here. Now, it's obviously the guy's a smoker, but I'm not sure ashes would do that. But all this liquid that was down there, they said this was all full of black coffee juice and nasty stuff. All right, so I got the daunting task of replacing it. Pretty easy, so let me get to work. Alrighty guys, real quick, let's talk. Y'all see this Ram 1500 3.6 Pentastar engine, guys? No start. All right, yes, its charging system is working. Turn out the battery has failed. According to my GR8 machine, it does a complete internal load test and it failed. Now guess what we got here? Yeah buddy, y'all see that? Yes guys, y'all see that? Mopar ultimate power, ultimate performance. That is the best battery Mopar makes. Let me stop before y'all start clowning me. But listen, guys, I'm getting ready to put this battery in. Now, check this out, guys. Why are we not getting as many years out of batteries as we used to? Back in the day, we used to get about 5 years out of batteries. Now, I've seen them as early as 8 months, guys. Really, I'm replacing batteries under warranty sometimes. Can you blame the car makers for the excessive overload of electronics on vehicles now? Or are y'all blaming the battery company for just delivering us crappier batteries? Which one? The car makers or the battery companies? I don't know. I want to hear y'all opinions. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, y'all see that 4x4? This was a pain in the ass to get out, guys. That's simply because it had a PTU in it, but he got it out. Now guys, this is a 940 ATE transmission. I talk about this all the time and my anger with this company. ZF make this transmission. There is no way to do a transmission service on this car if your definition of service is replacing the filter. Now I like to replace the filter and the fluid. Okay, on this transmission, the way it's designed, you cannot do that. You have to take the whole transmission out and split it, bust it open in order to replace the filter. That is too much work, guys. Now, however, you can do a drain and refill, but I'm not sure what you would get doing that. All right, you're just gonna drain out the old fluid and go in with new fluid. Now, this is TCM, guys. The transmission come with a new TCM. It's not plug and play. You will have to program it. So if your scan tool will not allow you to program it, do not take the job, or you will embarrass yourself and have to get it towed to a shop that can. All right, so this is the old one right here. We're going. This car has like 180,000 miles, so it did its due without a service. Oh, I'm a little confused about this, guys. All this time, I thought the writing on these tires was actually etched in the tires. I don't know, but if you go around, let's look at this side here. This side right here, oh my goodness, this is bad. Ooh, what in the world? It's like literally coming off. Is this sticker? I mean, how? Ooh, so all this time, the writing on the tire is just simply cosmetic, sticker, tape. Okay, by the look of that tire, it looks low on air pressure anyway, but look at this. So how do you fix that? Put some adhesive on it or just do without? I mean, the tire still works, just the writing on it is, I don't know if it got hot, overheated. It's kind of hot down here right now, but I don't know if that's the cause of that. That says Dodge, guys. That don't mean it's a Dodge tire, all right? Don't be crazy. Don't be silly. All right, man. Look at that caliper right there. Nice, pretty caliper, guys. This is a Dodge Charger. Y'all stay tuned.